I started cooking very late. I went to a very short course in London. After that, I moved back to Belgium, where I started working for S2E4, the 3-star restaurant. And then from there, my career started. I started as a commis chef. I didn't know how to cut a shallot or to do anything in the kitchen, actually. We like to follow the seasons here, even though we have a very cosmopolitan restaurant. But, you know, in 3 months, I love Jerusalem artichoke, but in the end of the season, I just hate it. So it's always changing. It's actually 5 years we are open, and now the restaurant has found a way, our style that's powerful, but now very elegant. My husband is the backbone of the restaurant. He takes care of the important area of finances that a business has. I think without him, we would not be so successful as we are now. Everyone knows being a chef can be a very hectic life, it's busy. And when you're making music, you're just thinking about that. It makes me go away for maybe 2 or 3 hours. Creating something is almost transmitting your own emotions to the plate or to the music, and that's what you want to give to your customers. The day you got the Michelin star, of course, it's a very emotional day. We realized that we had set a standard in the business, so that's why we keep pushing ourselves for more and more and more.